If you didn't get the grades you needed to get into your first choice of university, or if you've only recently started thinking of applying to university, then check out our top tips of how to apply through the clearing process.
Remember, you are not alone. Thousands of students apply through clearing every year. And if you haven't applied to university yet, don't worry about it. It's never too late, okay? Just research universities online that you're interested in and see if they've got any spaces available.
Do your research. Visit the UCAS website or visit the websites of the unis you might be interested in. Also, talk to friends who might already be at the unis and your teachers about your options.
Some courses will be really popular through clearing, so you might want to think of some alternatives. The university will always try to support and find something in our wide range of courses that is just right for you.
Visit universities. Visit the campus if you haven't already. Many universities offer clearing events and open days. It'll give you a real feel of what the university is like and give you the opportunity to meet others who you might be studying with.
Have all your qualifications on you, including your GCSEs, when applying for clearing hotlines. You should also have your personal statement on you, which you can refer to as well. You should also note that you might be asked why you want to apply to that uni.
Ask questions. When you ring unis, ask about things like accommodation and what it's like to be a student there. You'll find lots of institutions have real students working on their clearing hotlines, so you can get lots of information from them. Even if you're not planning on entering clearing at Solent, do feel free to ring one of our clearing hotlines to get help and advice on the clearing process.
Take your time to find the course that's really right for you. Don't rush into accepting a course if you're unsure about anything. There are many courses and opportunities that you can get through clearing, so don't feel pressured to make a decision. You don't need to make a decision until 3 p.m. on A-level results day.
And finally, remember that the phone lines will be very busy, but see if there are other ways to contact your chosen university, such as through social media or via their website.